underneath there. See his tail. It's freaking massive.
That's what I was talking about, the big ones. Bailey, say, here, fishy, fishy, fishy.
There he is. See him? See him?
That's the ones I was talking about.
Right just past the edge of those little...
Bailey, say, here, fishy, fishy, fishies. Here, fishy, fishy, fishies.
Oh. Here.
Daddy's got more.
Here.
Are you going to do it?
Out there? Here. Okay, get a few of them. Just a few.
Throw them hard.
Way out there.
Throw hard.
Here, go like this.
Oh,
Here.
no.
Stand on the side. I got you.
No.
I got you. Go like this. Go. Okay?
Can you do that, Bailey?
I'll hold you. You're not going to fall. Put them in your hand. You got them? Turn your hand upside down. And go like this. Go ahead. Let them go. Ready? Go. Come on, let go. I'll throw them out there.
I hear it.
No, oh, no.
You gotta throw them out there far.
Here. Try over here. Here. I hold you. Do not move. Throw them in there.
Did you get it?
Okay.
The fence means nothing to us. Are the fishies hungry? I love when she does that. You're fishy, fishy.
Can we go see if there's any up here?